welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Let's start the video. Welcome to today's English learning session. This lesson is designed for learners who want to improve their listening, speaking, and overall fluency in English. We will use a simple story told in clear, slow American English. You can listen carefully, pause when needed, and repeat the sentences out loud. This practice method called shadowing will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak English in real life. English is an important global language, especially in its United States, where it is used in daily conversation, workplaces, schools, and social settings. Learning English through stories is one of the easiest and most effective way to understand sentence structure, pronunciation, and common vocabulary. Instead of memorizing difficult rules, you will naturally learn how English is spoken by native speakers. Let's begin our story. Today is Saturday and the weather is beautiful. The sun is shining and the sky is clear. John wakes up early in the morning feeling relaxed and happy. He does not have to rush to work today, so he takes his time getting out of bed after brushing his teeth and taking a shower. John prepared a healthy breakfast. He ate eggs, toast, and drink a cup of coffee while looking out the window. After breakfast, John put on his sneaker and leave his house. He decides to walk to the park near his neighborhood. The park is only 10 minutes away and walking helps him feel fresh and energetic. As he walks, he sees people starting their day. Some are walking their dogs, some are jogging, and others are riding bicycle. The morning feels calm and peaceful. When John arrives at the park, he chooses a quiet bench under a large tree. He sits down and watches the people around him. Children are laughing and playing with a soccer ball. Birds are singing and a light breeze moves the leaves in the tree. John takes a deep breath and enjoys the moment. Being in the park helps him forget about stress and worries. After a few minutes, John noticed a woman walking her small white dog. The dog looks friendly and curious. As the woman walks past, she smiles at John and John smiles back. Small, simple moments like this make his day better. He realized that even a short walk to the park can improve his mood. Soon John sees his friend Anna sitting nearby. She is reading a book under the shade of another tree. John stands up and walks over to her. Anna looks up, smiles, and closes her book. They greet each other warmly and begin talking about their week. Anna says she had a busy week at work with many meetings, but she is glad the weekend has arrived. John listened carefully and shared his own experience from the week. They talk slowly and clearly, enjoying the conversation. Speaking English in a relaxed environment like this helps build confidence. They do not worry about making mistakes. Instead, they focus on understanding each other and enjoying the conversation. After talking for a while, John and Anna decide to walk around the park together. They discuss simple topics such as their hobbies, favorite movie, and future plans. The conversation feels natural and easy. This is how English is used in daily life in the United States. Simple words, clear sentences, and friendly communication. As the sun rises higher in the sky, the park becomes more crowded. John and Anna decide it is time to leave. They say goodbye and promise to meet again next weekend. John walks back home feeling happy and refreshed. His morning at the park helped him relax, socialize, and enjoy the day. These stories show how everyday situation can help you learn English. Listening to simple stories like this improve your understanding and pronunciation. Try listening again and repeating the sentences out loud. Pay attention to how the words are connected and how the sentences flow naturally. To improve your English faster, practice a little every day. Listen to English audio, repeat sentences, and speak whenever you get the chance. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. With regular practice, your English will become clearer, smoother, and more confident. Thank you for listening to today's lesson. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and enjoy your English learning journey. We will see you in the next session. Thanks for watching.